Welcome to Infinity Learn NEET by Sri Chaitanya. So today in this particular video we will be discussing about a very interesting and a very important topic that's going to be restriction enzymes. Yes, this topic is from one of the most important units in your grade 12 biology, that is going to be biotechnology. So whenever we talk about the biotech unit, it is very important because from the past 5 years a lot of questions have been coming from this unit, and today from that particular unit we will be discussing about restriction enzymes, right? So let's get started. Now when I talk about restriction enzymes, correct? So as I've always said that by the name itself it's pretty clear, correct? It says restriction, which means that this particular enzyme is going to restrict something or cut something. So restriction enzyme is that particular enzyme which helps us in breaking down or cutting the DNA. हाँ जी, क्योंकि जब कभी भी हमें DNA के साथ genetic engineering करनी पड़ती है तो as it is you cannot utilize that DNA, right? So you have to restrict that DNA or you have to cut the DNA into fragments. So for cutting the DNA into fragments हम use करते हैं restriction enzyme को, और यही reason है कि restriction enzyme को हम scientific scissors भी कहते हैं, ठीक है? These are also considered as scientific scissors. Okay, so ये है main function यहाँ पे restriction enzymes का. Okay, now if I talk about the types of it, तो यहाँ पे majorly हम दो type के restriction enzyme की बात करते हैं. One is exonuclease and the other one is endonuclease. Again, by the name itself it's clear. अगर मैं exonuclease बोल रही हूँ, so it is towards the external side. Okay, so it is going to cut the DNA from the terminal ends of it. So whenever the word exo comes into the picture, यहाँ पे it will cut the DNA from terminal ends. Okay, वहीं अगर मैं endonuclease की बात करूं यहाँ पे, so endo, it's the word that's going to cut the DNA from the middle portion or towards the inside end. Cut the DNA internally. Okay, now if I talk about the cuts also, कि यहाँ पे cuts किस तरीके के होते हैं, so यहाँ पे एक cut हम पढ़ते हैं staggered cut, and the second one, important one, is the blunt cut. ठीक है, staggered cut का मतलब क्या होता है? Whenever there is a staggered cut, तो अगर ये दो fragments में हम इसको cut कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, so it is going to perform like a ladder thing. For example, यहाँ पे अगर मैं दो sequences ले लूँ, because हमें पता है that DNA is what? It's a double-stranded structure, right? So अगर मैंने ये ले लिया, ठीक है, ये एक sequence हो गया. So if I say that there is a staggered cut, तो ये इसको DNA को इस तरीके से कट करेगा, ठीक है? This will be the staggered cut over here. वहीं अगर मैं blunt cut की बात करती हूँ, अगर मैं same sequence का blunt cut करना है मुझे, so the blunt cut would be like this. Okay, bluntly it would cut the sequence or the fragments of the DNA, and the staggered cut is going to do like this, right? Now whenever we talk about cutting a particular fragment of a DNA, so specifically जो restriction enzymes है वो palindromic sequence से cut करते हैं, ठीक है? So the palindromic sequence is also very important over here. Now what exactly is palindromic sequence? Palindromic sequence is whether you read it from the left to right or right to left, it's exactly going to be similar, just like Malayalam. Okay, एक ये word का example आपकी NCERT में भी mention है, So if you read Malayalam from left to right or from right to left, it's going to be exactly similar. इसी तरीके के sequence को हम क्या कहते हैं? Palindromic sequence. ठीक है? So whenever we talk about the restriction enzyme, that what kind of fragments or what kind of sequences are necessary to cut the DNA, so it has to be a palindromic sequence as well. Okay, so this was the short and summarized version for your restriction enzymes, and that was it for the session. If you enjoyed the session, if you found this session helpful, do not forget to hit the like button. Also, there's this amazing All India Test Series pack that we have for you, जिसमें ये सारे amazing features है. You can get these features in just rupees 4,199 only if you apply my coupon code, which is Tania40, TANIA40. So the link is mentioned in the description. Description पे जाइए, link click कीजिए, apply the coupon code, and you can get the test series in just rupees 4,199. And now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do it right away so that you do not miss any notifications, and do not forget to press the bell icon as well. Thank you.